welcome to our watchtower and our church, Parish of St. Augustine, that was built year 1591 to 1592 by the Augustinian monk.
Monks.
So, yes, it's already a matter of more than 30 years now on this day. So we have a lot of tourists coming to visit our watchtower and part of our sanctuary of Our Lady of Charity, Apo Caridad. Apo is a word of respect, the meaning. Caridad means charity. Kakaasi na kami means pray for us. So
okay.
This is the meaning. Our Lady of Charity, please pray for us. So the Queen, Our Lady of Charity is the Queen of entire Ilocos of Nueva Segovia. We are under Nueva Segovia. Yeah. The feast day of Our Lady of Charity is January 12, every January 12. That's our big celebration.
Oh.
So the watchtower, people come often to go and watch for the coming of their relatives, to go and watch for the going up to other towns. And you can watch your enemy coming from the ocean through land, through river. Yeah. So
I've just been told by our tour guide that the Spanish generals were told not to bomb. It's one of the only few churches left here that were not bombed during the Second World War. So we're here in Vigan, in Ilocos, and this is the Banty watchtower. It's the tallest building in Ilocos. So I just heard there was an earthquake here in May last year, and sadly the Banty Bear Tower is now not accessible, obviously for safety reasons, but we've come up to visit it, and this is as close as we can get, and we just thought we'd show you. It was the tallest building here in Ilocos Norte. It's about 8 hours by car north of Manila. I've just been told by our tour guide that the Spanish generals were told not to bomb. It's one of the only few churches left here that were not bombed during the Second World War. The Church of Conti Cristo. The Banty watchtower, built so they could see their enemies coming from miles around. Here situated in Vigan, Ilocos Norte. So that's our little tour here of the Banty watchtower.
Banty Tower.
And this beautiful ornate church that was built by the Spanish. So thanks for watching today, guys, and that's bye from us for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.